the Indian Pengu here. Today I'll be showing you how you can convert your opaque, boring console like this to a transparent awesomeness in a very quick and simple steps you will never forget. So let's get started. So here you can see my console which is opaque, and we have a particular background which is not visible from here, and we want to convert it into a transparent one. So what you have to do is go to settings, configure console, profiles. Here you can create a new profile. By default we have built-in read-only default profile which you cannot edit. So first we need to create a new profile. Here name it as awesome and go to appearance. Here you go to edit and you can see the background color transparency. So you can choose whatever value you want, but I would recommend the 50%, which is perfect for everyone. Now just apply this, click OK, apply, OK, and also you can see your profile here. Now you can set it as default, so whenever you open your console again, you will see the same settings with the same profile you have chosen or created. So set as default and bingo, here we are with the awesome console. Great, isn't it? You can type in any command, sudo pacman syy. It will work just great. This method should work on any system which are using KDE Plasma, and you have this console by default in the KDE. I think that would be all for this video. Meet you in the next one. If you find this video helpful, please share, like and subscribe. Until next one, bye bye, tata.